We still have lot only and one house and lot available at Valencia Estates. Hi guys, I'm back. This is Reb Corrine, your real estate partner. Welcome to Barangay Lumbo, Valencia City, Bukidnon. If you're looking for a real estate investment with a closed community, 24/7 security, with complete amenities, Valencia Estate Subdivision is perfect for you. This is their one and only house and lot available, by which I will put the link of the house tour video on the comment section below. And here's the area of the available lot only. You will be able to enjoy the beautiful view of Musuan Peak and build your dream home at Valencia Estates. Live a peaceful suburban lifestyle in bliss fieldscapes of Bukidnon. It is settled in the gentle rolling hills of Valencia City. Here's their beautiful amenities: swimming pool, clubhouse, basketball court, and parks and playground. For more details, you can message me on the number below. So when's the best time to invest? It's now. Bye!